Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable or disable location tagging for your camera on your iPad of 10th generation. So first of all, open your settings. Here you need to find your privacy and security tab. Click on it. Find your location services section. Click on it as well. Enable your location services. When it's green, it's enabled. Now here find your camera. Press, and here we can adjust some settings. So now we can use never, and this one will disable location services for the camera while using the app. To enable it only when the camera is active. We can also use a precise location option if you need to, or we can press ask next time or when I share to receive a prompt. So each time when you open the camera, it will ask you, do you need to use your location or not? I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.